Chapter 4 Terminal Window Detailed. In this module, we will focus on the use of the MT4 terminal window. Let's first have a look at the Trade tab. Here you can have an overview of all your active and pending orders. All the active orders are listed above the Account Status row, while all the pending orders are displayed below that row. By right-clicking this section, a new drop-down menu appears. In its upper section, you have the options to open, close, or modify orders. The drop-down menu also includes the trailing stop option, which enables you to attach or use the trailing stop. You will get to know more about this in a separate module. The next option in the terminal window is Profit, which helps you to adjust how your profits or losses are displayed, for example as point value, as term currency, or as deposit currency. The As Points option shows you the value of your profit or loss expressed in points. Term currency is the quote currency of the currency pair. In our example, this is JPY. The default setting of the terminal window is deposit currency. In our example, this is USD. In the last section of the drop-down menu, we can toggle on and off different types of columns such as commissions, taxes, comments, auto-arrange, and grid. In the Account History tab, you can see all your closed trades. You can also generate the reports, which was explained previously in the module entitled Account History Closed Trades. The News section tab allows you to see the headlines of recent financial news. Next comes the Alerts tab, where you can create your customized alerts. By right-clicking and selecting Create, or by hitting the Insert key on your keyboard, the Alert Editor window pops up. The Action box enables you to select a type of alert, for example in the form of a sound, as a file, or as an email. In the Symbol box, you can choose the type of instrument. Condition displays the way in which you would like to be notified by the alert. For example, if you want to receive notifications at a specific price, you can set up the price in the Value box. The Source tab allows you to select a certain type of sound. In the Timeout box, you can set the intervals at which you wish to have the alerts triggered. The Maximum Iteration slot displays how many times the alert will be played. Here you can display the internal mails which XM notifies you with. In the Journal tab, you can monitor all platform activities. By right-clicking and selecting the option Open, you will be redirected to the folder where your logs are recorded by default. If you right-click, you have the option to open, copy, or arrange your log files. Thank you for watching.